Got this 320i here today. These have been mega popular recently at Bluespark. Due to the ECUs being locked from June 2020 onwards, our module is one of the easiest, cheapest ways of being able to get fantastic performance from this engine. We can lift stock power from 184 PS right up to over 250 in this case, with torque gains around 120 Newton meter increase. This is a massive difference that you really feel out on the road. As you can see here, 256 PS up from 187 measured stock, and 118 Newton meter torque gain at peak, up from measured 320 stock, book figures of 300, so very, very close, up to 438 Newton meters. And that's just with the box on default settings, setting C6, and so straight out of the box, this will just work and give you the figures that you see there. It's a massive game and something that you'll definitely feel out on the road. These are a mega easy install. It's a 5-minute job on your driveway at home. Don't need any special tools or any special skills. It's a really easy process, and in 5 minutes you can be away with a massive increase in power and torque and a huge change for your car for a relatively little outlet.